In a peaceful little village lived a tiny sparrow named Chinu. Chinu was small, but very smart and brave. One hot summer day, the sun was blazing, and all the birds were very thirsty. The ponds had dried up, and there was no water anywhere. Chinu flew far and wide, searching for water. She looked inside. There was only a little water at the bottom, but her beak... Other birds laughed and said, "It's impossible, Chinu." But Chinu didn't give up. She started thinking. She picked up small stones, one by one, and dropped them into the pot. Plop, plop. She picked up small stones, one by one, and dropped them into the pot. Soon the water came up high enough, and Chinu happily drank it. She smiled and said, "Never give up. Use your brain." And from that day, all the birds learned a valuable lesson. Moral of the story: where there is a will, there is a way.
हे दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक करें और ऐसे ही मजेदार वीडियो के लिए सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें।